Hello people, today I wanted to show you how to fix Windows 10 issue regarding USB 3.0 drivers. Because I finally found the solution. My USB port doesn't disconnect anymore. Normally, when you have USB 3.0, it depends what motherboard do you have. It's better for you if you use utility like that. This is one of them, because this will help you to download the proper drivers. I'm showing you because this is quite important. I installed the PCI Express USB 3.0 drivers for that PCI card, and that one is another USB 3.0 driver, but you have to replace because by default is Microsoft driver. This is why it was disconnecting. Another thing, I will come back to you, but I will show you fast solution power option, but this wasn't working for me. It will work, but when it comes to compatibility, because I'm using AMD FX and I got a ASRock motherboard, this is why Windows 10 was doing that. This is why it was disconnecting my USB 3.0 port, because I haven't got motherboard from 2018 or from 2019. That motherboard is from 2014. It's still going strong, but I will show you. You will probably have to replace your USB 3.0 drivers. That CPUs will tell you what motherboard you have got. But I still like my processor. Okay, never mind. Fast solution, if you have the newest motherboard, you can disable in power option that option regarding to USB. Another step is make sure you deselect that. This is quite important. VIA driver does not have this option, but Microsoft default driver had this option. Okay, I already replaced my drivers. You have to go to update driver, browse from my computer, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list. Have disk. You have to know what driver you will be using, because I don't know what is your motherboard. If you have got Gigabyte or ASRock or Asus, that might be different depending what motherboard you have got. When I had Microsoft Atheron USB driver, this was causing disconnection issue. Another thing is you have to pay attention on this. I also deselected this because this was disconnecting my USB port. Check also this, but this doesn't have this option. Also check compatibility issue. These drivers seem to be compatible. Check all root hubs if you have to deselect that from power management. You don't need power management option selected here. Untick this if you still got issue. Another thing you can do by using registry modification, if you go to properties, driver details, device instance path. I will probably have to do that with that one. regedit, Haki local machine, system, current control set, enum, PCI, because you have to probably fix compatibility issue, but default Microsoft driver, this will not work for default Microsoft driver. You have to use Windows drivers. Where's that window? Sorry, I just lost window. I don't like this snap feature when I hold the window. Suddenly this causes another window to close. I don't really like this feature and I have to disable. Okay. What ID number? You go. Oh, I didn't show. Device parameters. That one and that one. Because by default it will tell you is 1, which tells your operating system that driver is not compatible. When you switch and when you put value 0, this will make the driver compatible. You will remove compatibility issue, but it only worked for me when I installed the driver from manufacturer. Okay, copy. You have to copy this, or you can also do in different way. I will show you in a minute. What we got here? Depending what operating system you can still use for Windows 8, but what version is this? Okay, this should be working for Windows 10. No, this should work for Windows 10. Check a date. That one. What the date of my driver is? Oh, I got from 2013. What I wanted to mention, because by default Windows 8 has already built-in USB 3.0 support for the driver. They work straight away, but Microsoft driver isn't good. So this is why I downloaded proper driver. I wonder why they don't have for Windows 8. For Windows 10. They should really have for Windows. What we got here? I cannot get why this came up here. This must be something else. Isn't it that one? I have to check how I download it. Yes, I got it, that button. No, it's not that one. Oh, I finally... this is something else. I actually don't remember. Give me a few seconds because I try to find the button for downloading. Well, this is my model, but for some reasons I cannot really download from this web page. Oh yes, I probably have this. This is older driver. Oh, because I have... Oh, come on! Why I cannot download this? I probably have to use different web page. because I already downloaded before. You need to find the proper web page to be able to download the proper driver, because it's not easy to download I don't really like that web page. No, I don't want to do in that way. Okay, never mind. I have to get back to that option. What you can also do, you can copy hardware IDs and paste in a web browser, because it will be easier to download this. This is a lot easier to do that, but not every web page will allow you to download the drivers. I have got something very important. I don't know if this is that one, probably. Oh, I probably have newer driver. Why error? This is strange. I have got error. I will probably have to check what is causing this error. I must use my default internet. Give me a few seconds. Oh yes, I finally got VIA driver. I have to check date, because I didn't check date of the driver. Because I might this is exactly the same what I already downloaded before, so I will cancel it and I will copy. Give me a few seconds. You can do the same with Etron driver. That one works perfect. It's from 2013. VIA driver is little bit newer, from 2017. They are not from Microsoft, but they work. They are stable and I have no issue. If you want to download that driver, go to Properties, Details, Device Instance Path. No, that one. Copy. But again, what we got here, we also have Windows 8.1. Oh, that one, I should really update that driver, because it tells me 2017 date. Oh, this is actually newer driver. Oh, I'm very happy to see this. Hopefully this will be working fine. Oh, I didn't have this. This should be working fine for me, I believe. What is this? Is this safe? Oh no! Oh no! Oh, I actually used the... What I did, I had to use... I had to open this because I don't like that type of the installer. What is this? Come on, I already... Did I select the wrong operating system? Oh no, I actually didn't see this. Sorry, that was my fault because I thought it was 64-bit. Oh, I actually didn't see this. Sorry, this was my fault. I forgotten this was 32-bit operating system. Okay. But I really need to find the 64-bit. Where is 64-bit? Oh no, I will have to get back to different. Don't use for Windows 8.1, not from Microsoft, because that one was causing issue, which I don't like at all. It's hard, it's really hard to find the proper driver until you really dig inside Google. But it's better for you to do that way. Unfortunately, they don't have newer drivers, but mainly what you should do, get rid of Microsoft Etron or whatever USB 3.0 drivers you have. If from Microsoft, you should really use from manufacturer. Now, after doing that, I solved my issue.